What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Crispy, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we have a huge surprise for lifetime members. If you're a lifetime member, you guys can go to the back end of your lifetime membership on Trusted Signals WAP and download the Gold Killer EA right now. I suggest you guys do this as soon as this video is over, because after August 1st, we're going to remove it from the WAP. But if you already download it, you're going to have multiple weeks to access and use this for profits. Okay. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Trusted Signals, we offer a bunch of tools, bots, indicators, and all that good stuff. And right now, you guys can get your lifetime membership for $4.99 for the next 24 to 48 hours. Okay. And after that, it's going to be $1,499. But on top of that, you guys are going to go ahead and get access to the Trade Alerts dashboard early. Plus, we have V4 on the way. And when I tell you guys are going to go ahead and start profiting today. You guys are going to start profiting today because, as you guys can see here, we have a bunch of people who are already using this Gold Killer EA bot. And this thing is simply amazing. As you guys can see here, these are some of the profits from today. Okay, guys. So you guys are not going to want to go ahead and miss this. Go into the link in the comments right now. And trust me, guys, you're going to want to go ahead and join, because you're going to be able to go ahead and get all of our indicators for light, plus our Gold Killer EA, which is producing numbers like this. You're going to be able to go ahead and download everything. Plus, we got V4, Automated Trader Bridge on the way, and all that good stuff. So, guys, when I tell you guys that Trusted Signals is about to blow up, Trusted Signals is going to be the #1 indicator, the #1 bot company there is on TradingView. And I stand on that. And we're going to see what we're going to do in the next few days. So if you guys like these type of videos, if you're happy of what we got going on, if you watch this video all the way through, drop a comment right now, V4, because we're going to go ahead and give you guys $100 if you guys go ahead and comment that. So until the next video, guys, I'm out. Gold Killer EA. Message me on Discord. You already know what it is, man. We out. Peace.